They seem to be compatible. But my first wife and I did too. As advertised. Never bought off-brand but decided to give it a try. I am delighted. Got 2 for far less than the price I paid for 1. Works fine. Water is clean and crisp. New filter is working beautifully in my refrigerator. Works just great and is a terrific value versus GE filter that costs 2 to 3x as much. Price went up since my previous purchase, but still cheaper than GE's product. I ordered 2 filters, wasn't sure if they would work after reading other comments on Amazon, and these work wonderful and for less the money for the GE brand name. I will definitely order again. Great product and price. These work well and are less than GE filters. Exactly as described. Works perfect and just as advertised. I ordered another brand to replace my GE refrigerate filter and it did not fit. This said it would and it did. Works great. Click link in description for more reviews.